Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we'll be unboxing my very first Lavish bath box subscription. I'm really excited to start this subscription and see what kind of products I'll get monthly. So if you're interested to see what kind of goodies are in this box, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. Bath box. What? Yeah, so it's basically a monthly subscription. You pay $38.95 and you get just an array of products. They do have options to do like a 3-month or a 6-month prepay, but then the price goes up. So what it says is that each month you'll receive items from an array of bath bombs, bubble baths, bubble bars, soaps, salts, scrubs, candles, accessory tools, and etc. So it's really a bath-focused subscription box, and I'm really excited because I love bath bombs from Lush. So I'm really hoping that I won't have to drive to Lush all the time and that this subscription will just feed my bath bombing addiction, because that's a thing. But yeah, so yeah, let's dive into this box. That's so cute. Okay, so when I open it here, which is really adorable, it says, designed by unicorns, made for humans, hashtag lavish bath box. That is adorable. Okay, so we're opening it up and this is what I see on the inside. So basically a lot of blue paper, which is kind of cool that this is blue and not white because it's usually white. And we have a card. So the card up here says Lavish Bath Box, happy birthday Lavish. And it's March 2019 celebration. Ooh. Okay, so on the back it gives you some discount codes for some different items, and I'll leave everything down in the description box. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing I got here, this is Lavish with Ambrosia hand soap. So it's 8 ounces. Okay, so it looks like this. And it says refills and more scents available. They're chemical-free, cruelty-free, and vegan-free, and biodegradable. Okay, cool. So I think this is the pump. Okay, so this must have come with a soap. Okay, so here is the soap. Now I gotcha. Okay, so I think this is like a duo thing and you can keep filling this up with other soaps. But so the soap that I have here, it's a foaming soap and it's rosemary and lemon. And so it also gives you the steps to filling up that bottle. But this is what it looks like on the front. And I just want to smell it. I'm not going to fill it up yet, but I just want to smell. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that smells so refreshing. I love that lemon punch. It's, yeah. So this is rosemary lemon, but you definitely get a punch of lemon, and I am really excited to give that a try. I'm going to fill it up after this video, actually. And the next thing I got here, this is a bubble bar. And so it's a handcrafted bubble bar in the scent Flirty. Ingredients are sodium bicarbonate, cream of tartar, sodium lauryl, sulfonate, cornstarch, gluten, and fragrance. Oh, and this is so cute. It's a little cupcake. That is adorable. So a bubble bar, you just break off a piece, add it right underneath your faucet as you're filling up your tub, and it will basically fill up your tub with bubbles. And so yeah, I'm really excited. I'm not going to open it because it actually... Okay, so the scent, there's some little holes here. And I can't really get the scent, but I am going to give this a try, and I just love that it is a cupcake. That is adorable. And the next thing I'm pulling out here, this is a Lee brick, so it's cupcake frosting. So this is a fluffy whipped soap. And that's what it looks like. So it's a fluffy whipped soap and it comes in a container. Huh. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and we're just going to see what whipped oh, that smells so good. But yeah, this is the whipped soap and it smells divine. Oh my gosh. And the next thing, oh, this looks fun. What? This looks super fun. What is this even? So it says You're the Bomb, and this is the Aquamarine Bath Bomb Confetti Push-Up. Okay, so it looks like they're just little pieces at the top, and it's kind of like those lollipops that you push up when it's like nice in summer. Wish summer would be here soon. So yeah, so these little pieces will just go into your bath. But that looks just super fun, and I'm really excited to give the scent a try. I'm not gonna open it because I just don't want to get all of that everywhere, but that looks great. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out, this just has the number 3 on it. And so this is another bath bomb, and this is the Third Time's the Charm. So happy 3rd birthday to us. This gold painted bath bomb is scented in bright sparkling champagne, peony, and almond cream with the base of amber, sandalwood, and musk. All right, so this definitely is giving me some glitter, or yeah, definitely glitter spray charm. I'm not gonna open it right now because it'll get everywhere. But yeah, just another bath bomb, toss it in your tub and just sit and relax. So that's very nice. And it looks like this is the last item. Yep, last item, and this is Epsom salt. So it says add to warm bath, relax and enjoy, and it's vanilla cake. So it's a delightfully scented, it's delightfully sweet and simple. So maybe my skin will be smelling really sweet after this Epsom salt bath. But yeah, I am really excited about these products. So I will leave the information down in the description box if you're interested on anything that I unboxed. But I'm definitely ready to like give all of these a try during the week. And if you're interested, I can give you like an update on this box. But yeah, so this was the Lavish box. Definitely all bath items, a lot of bath bombs, some soap, and I am really interested to give this whipped soap a try. I might actually just go wash my hands randomly just so I could try this out. But I'm really excited about the products, and so far so good. My first box, I do give a thumbs up, just alone on curiosity. So if you have any recommendations on other subscription boxes I should try, leave me a little comment in the comment box down below, and I've left the Lavish box information in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.